you're still that girl. The whispers may tell you you've lost your way, but your heart...
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into the channel. Listen, this is just going to be a little quick video. I got a new gadget. Yes, been on Amazon and I found this new gadget to cut my pineapples. Y'all know pineapples are great. We're going to be doing a lot of those in our juicings that's coming up on the channel. And I just wanted to try my new gadget today. So let's go ahead and check out to see if I can prep these pineapples today. Let's get to it. So this is the box here, and it's a tool that helps to cut your pineapple, like core it, and it helps to slice it. So I'm going to get a bowl so that when I finish cutting my pineapples, I will be set to go ahead and put the pineapples in the bowl. So I just have these little Rubbermaid bowls like this, and I'm just going to use this to store up my pineapples. We'll just set it aside for now. So here's the first pineapple. I'm just going to take it and we're going to slice off the top of it right now. So here's the pineapple. What I'm going to do is just cut the top and the bottom off. So this tool, I am supposed to be able to take it, put it around the core, and screw it in there. So let's see what happens here. Okay. And all I have to do is pop the top of it off, and hopefully I can get my pineapple right off of there. That's the challenge. That was not a challenge at all. It was pretty simple. Okay, now the core is in there. How do I get it out? That's not a challenge. All right, we'll figure that part out. But this is it right here. Very simple. Okay. Very simple. Now, since that was so easy, let's get the other one done. As I mentioned earlier, pineapples will be a big part of my juicing recipes. Pineapples are good for your gut. They are rich in fiber and aid in digestion. If you're trying to shrink belly fat, pineapple is great as it contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is an anti-inflammatory. Bromelain helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn helps burn away the excess belly fat. Pineapples are also abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which are required for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C prevents flu, whereas antioxidants help in eliminating free radicals from the body, preventing oxidative stress. And then one final note. Pineapples contain manganese, which helps in effectively controlling the elevated blood pressure and blood sugar level in the body. Manganese is also important in regulating fat and carbohydrates in the blood, which aids in weight loss. Apart from all of that, it's filled with other essential nutrients which combine together for a holistic improvement in your health. And there we go, beautiful babes. Now, does it work? Yes, it does. Like a charm. There we go. All right, this is it, and unfortunately it doesn't have any kind of case. That's the only thing that I wish it did, because this old blade here is pretty sharp, and that would have made this easy to store. So if they could just bring a little cap, pop it right there, and you can store it away without cutting your hands. Now I got to find a spot that this can actually go to sit in without hurting anyone's hands. All right, beautiful babes, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share me with your world. See you on the next one. Bye.
Some may try to change you, twist and twirl, but deep in your soul, you're still that girl. The scars you carry, they tell your story. A war is hard, wrapped in quiet glory.